Hello, welcome back to my channel.
Ocracoke Island Mukbang tonight. We'll see what's on the menu. Nice colors, purples over the dune. Yeah.
Very good dinner.
Yeah, but we're gonna have to tell. Nice sunset, but heck of a smoke. Let's go see how our mukbang fire is doing. There's our camp. What you got there, honey?
Steak.
Let's
Beef
pull it up. Beef.
Beef steak.
Yeah. And corn. Yeah,
And cheese hot dog.
that's next.
Yep. And
This is our mukbang. Ribeye steak, cheddar sausage, and 2 big ears of corn and some grapes. And of course, Licel can't do without her stomach is complete with the rice.
yummy steak. Beef steak.
Yeah, how'd it turn out?
Was good. Cheese hot dog.
Yep.
Chicken Jollibee.
Oh yeah. We're,
Grapes.
yep. Went to Jollibee yesterday, Virginia Beach.
Yeah.
All right, let's eat. Yeah.
How is it?
Master Rock. Chicken joy, chicken joy. Yeah.
Rice.
Yep.
Rice. Okay, honey, let's eat. Start.
Sorry, the camera doesn't work well, just the picnic table and the short tripod. But we're mukbang one by one. Yeah. Well, here we are. Hammock Hills, okay. And 3/4 of a mile. That's like 15 minutes walking if we don't stop, but shouldn't take. I wonder if these are raspberry. Yeah, we might be stopping a bit. What we found. Yeah, do that thing. Look at the throat sack. Looky, we found a spider web. There's a Carolina wren over there too. Let's move on. Super nice trail, super nice trail. Got a salt marsh out here. Let's see what we can see. I don't know if it's a saltwater marsh or a freshwater marsh, but looks like someone organized the pine cones off to the side of the trail. Shout outs to whoever did that. Still really nice back here. Headed back across that water this afternoon. That's the sound and the salt marsh.